Hey guys, want this tattoo watermark for your edits in After Effects? First, pre-compose the clip and add lockdown plugin to it. And click the pop-out option. Now change the value of pixel distance and point radius from 50 to 30. By holding Ctrl and left mouse button, mark the area where you want your watermark. Select the extremely accurate method and give track call. After completing tracking, close this one and click on lockdown. Now go to the first comp and off the visibility of the checkerboard. Now add your watermark and adjust it like me. Right-click the second comp and change the blending mode to overlay. Now no one can steal your edits. You can add color correction by creating an adjustment layer and drag and drop your CC preset to it. And yeah, that's how you create your tattoo watermark for your edits. I hope you guys liked the tutorial and see you in another video.